Welcome back to 504 Road Trips. In today's video, we begin on US Highway 1 North at mile marker 4. We've just left the island of Key West and are now officially on the Overseas Highway, the route that will carry us through the Florida Keys all the way to Miami-Dade County. We're currently on Stock Island, which is divided in terms of jurisdiction. The northern side of the island, on the left side of US-1, is part of the incorporated city of Key West. The southern side, on the right, is unincorporated Monroe County. As of the 2020 census, Stock Island had a population of 4,722. This island houses the Key West Golf Club, the Lower Keys Medical Center, and the main campus of the College of the Florida Keys. There are also boat yards, marinas, seafood processors, and residential neighborhoods ranging from older mobile home parks to new waterfront resorts. Stock Island has seen a wave of redevelopment in recent years, with upscale lodging and dining joining its working-class maritime roots. It also houses the Monroe County Detention Center and several long-established local businesses. We cross Boca Chica Channel as we leave Stock Island behind and continue northeast. We're now on Boca Chica Key, almost entirely occupied by Naval Air Station Key West. The air station is used for advanced fighter training and serves multiple branches of the U.S. military. Aside from the base, the island has no public development or residential areas. Its name comes from the Spanish term Boca Chica, meaning small mouth, possibly referring to the narrow channel we just crossed. Still heading northeast, we pass seamlessly onto Rockland Key, followed shortly by East Rockland Key. Rockland Key had a population of 1,035 as of the 2020 census. It's home to residential neighborhoods, light industry, and boat storage facilities. A popular skydiving operation also operates here. East Rockland Key is smaller, less developed, and mostly consists of scrub and mangroves. There's no waterway between these two islands. They're connected by land, but we'll cross Rockland Channel ahead. We cross Rockland Channel onto Big Coppitt Key, one of the more established Lower Keys communities. The population was 2,595 at the 2020 census. The name Coppitt may come from a British family that once settled in the area, though the origin remains uncertain. The island is mostly residential, featuring canal-front homes and modest neighborhoods, along with convenience stores, a post office, and a fire station. The Southern Keys Cemetery, dating back to the early 1900s, is still active and provides a glimpse into local history. There's also a public park and playground near the center of the island. Big Coppitt offers a more relaxed, local feel compared to the tourist-focused islands to the south, and many residents commute into Key West for work. The island also includes Geiger Key to the southeast, which is accessible by a separate road and features an RV park and waterfront restaurant. We leave Big Coppitt Key by crossing Shark Channel. We now travel through the Saddlebunch Keys, a loosely connected chain of small islands linked by the overseas highway. These islands are mostly residential, with about 135 residents recorded in the 2020 census. Homes here are elevated on stilts and often surrounded by dense mangroves or perched above shallow flats. We pass over a series of low bridges and narrow causeways, each crossing tidal creeks or cuts in the backcountry. Despite the scenic beauty, this is one of the quieter sections of US-1. There are no gas stations, stores, or major intersections, just side roads disappearing into the brush. The area is a favorite for paddlers and backcountry fishermen. The name Saddlebunch may refer to the shape or arrangement of the islands as seen from above. These small keys give us a sense of the fragile, watery landscape that makes up much of the lower keys. We cross Harris Channel to reach the next island. Now we're on Lower Sugarloaf Key, part of a loop-shaped island that includes Upper Sugarloaf Key farther up the road. Lower Sugarloaf is largely residential and rural, with homes set back from the highway along canals and side roads. There are few businesses here, and the natural setting is the main attraction. The name Sugarloaf is believed to come from a variety of pineapple once grown in the area, smaller and sweeter than the commercial type. We cross North Harris Channel to reach Park Key. Park Key is a narrow, uninhabited fill island built solely to carry US-1. There are no roads, homes, or buildings here, just a stretch of highway and expansive water views on both sides. We conclude today's video at mile marker 19. Thanks for watching. We'd like to give special thanks to channel members Henry Bustel, McRivers0226, Corey Russell, Football Shane Life, and Mean Green Alex TV. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, post a comment below, subscribe, share and follow us on social media, and join us for our next 504 road trip.